गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। गुड आफ्टरनून हो गया अब। कल हमने सर्कुलर मोशन में सर्कुलर मोशन प्लस सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन जो हमारा टॉपिक चल रहा है उसमें हमने स्प्रिंग से रिलेटेड टाइम पीरियड फाइंड आउट किया था। व्हेन स्प्रिंग 2 or 3 springs are connected in parallel or in series connection, and what will be the time period of this combination। ये सब पॉइंट्स हमने कल डिस्कस किए थे। आज हम न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स लेंगे रिलेटेड टू द सर्कुलर मोशन। The first numerical is a large mass M hangs stationary at the end of a light string that passes through a smooth thick tube to a small mass M that moves around in a horizontal circular path if L is the length of the string from M to the top end of the tube and theta is angle and theta is the angle between this part and vertical part of the string as shown in figure. Then time taken by M to complete one circle. Then find the time period and the time to complete one circle by small m. This is capital M mass. This is small m. This length is L. Let theta is the angle between them. This is theta, and small m mass execute the circular motion in horizontal circular motion of radius small r. According to the diagram, the centripetal force it is equal to m omega square r. Tension in string is T. According to the figure here, R is equal to L sin theta. R is equal to L sin theta. And at mean position, T is equal to capital Mg. Then centripetal force m omega square r is equal to T sin theta, and m omega square r L sin theta will be equal to capital Mg sin theta cross sin theta by sin theta. Then omega square is equal to mg upon small ml, and we know that it is implies omega is equal to root mg upon ml. We know that time period is 2 pi by omega, so that t is equal to 2 pi root of small ml upon capital Mg. This will be the time period of the body of mass small m. Now, numerical second. The friction coefficient between two blocks is mu, and the horizontal plane is smooth. If the system is slightly displaced and released, find the time period. Solution is, this is the system. This is one block of mass capital M. Another block is placed on this first block whose mass small m, connected by a spring whose spring constant is K. For small amplitude, blocks oscillate together because of friction. For a small amplitude, blocks oscillate together, and angular frequency is given by ओमेगा इज, वही हमने पहले फाइंड आउट किया हुआ है, k upon total mass is capital M plus small m. So the time period of both the blocks t is 2 pi by omega, that is equal to root m plus small m upon. Next, third question is question number 3. A motor car is traveling at 20 meter per second on a circular road of radius 100 meter. It is increasing its speed of the rate of at the rate of 3 meter per second square. What is the acceleration of car? Solution: the centripetal acceleration A is given by v square upon r. Here v is given 20 meter per second, v is equal to 20 meter per second, and r is given how much? Radius 100 meter. So here 20 square by 100, a is equal to 4 meter per second. This is the centripetal acceleration. It is also denoted by AR because of radial. It is its it always radius acceleration. And second point, the linear acceleration is given by at, लीनियर और टेंजेंशियल भी हम इसको बोल सकते हैं. इट इज given by 3 meter per second square, and we know that AT and AR always remains perpendicular to each other. AT and AR always perpendicular to each other because AT towards the center, sorry, AR towards the center always, because it is radial AR, and AT is tangential. So resultant acceleration A will be equal to AR square plus AT square, 4 square plus 3 square. A will be equal to 5 meter per second square. This will be the resultant acceleration of motor car. नेक्स्ट स्टैंड पर हम ग्रेविटेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. सर्कुलर मोशन इज ओवर.